Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Alake Gay YouTube channel. So today's tutorial, I'll be learning how to gather a fabric. When you just want to gather a fabric. So I'm just going to show us how to gather a fabric. So I just have this 21 inches length of fabric, which I'm going to use to demonstrate how to gather a fabric, and it's just so simple to make. So there are just some important tips that you should know if you want to gather a fabric. One, you should not backstitch when you are stitching, and also two, you should make use of a loose stitch. So I'm just going to demonstrate also. I'm using the tabletop sewing machine. Can you see my stitch is 1 2 3 4, and the loose stitch that I have is on number 4. So I'm going to turn the knob to number 4. That's the least of my loose stitch. So that's what I'm going to be using. So now I'm starting off by sewing next, and I do not backstitch. Please do not backstitch, and make sure you have enough thread at the end of your fabric, and also at the end too, make sure you have enough fabric at the end too. Just cut it off like that. So the next thing is just for you to, from the thread that you have at the end of your fabric, that's what you're going to use to start pulling the fabric together. Just going to be pulling them together like so till you achieve your desired length. So I'm just pulling it together like so. So I'm still pulling together. So can you see I've put to, can you see I just put and I put till this length that I have here. So if you're making a girdle, just make sure that you have left. So if your waist, that okay, what you need is 28, you can make it like 40 inches so that you can use that to gather the fabric together, or you can multiply your measurement even by 2 or by 3 depending on how full you want your gathers to be. Like now I have 21 inches before, and now I have almost 8 inches. Can you see how much I've put and shrink the fabric? So you can just do that to make your gathers. You can multiply your measurements by 2 or by 3. So please subscribe to this channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to like this video and share with fellow soulmates. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.